It's another reaction video. How are you all, my lovelies? I came across this video of 14-year-old clone of Matt Monro, and he'll be singing for Mama. Let's get to listen and react.
Beg of you, I have a wish that must come true. The last thing you can do for Mama. Please promise me that you will stay
Feels like the
and take my
Philippines are
place
really
while I'm
talented in
away
singing.
and give the children love each day. I had to cry, what could I say? How hard I tried to find the words. I prayed she would not see me cry. So much to say that should be heard, but only time to say goodbye to Mama. They say in time you will forget, yet still today my eyes are wet. I tell myself to smile for Mama. Now soon there'll be another spring, and I will start remembering the way she loved to hear us sing her favorite song, Ave Maria. Ave Maria. The children all have grown up now. I kept my promise to Mama. I cannot guide them anymore. I've done my best, all for Mama. Ave Maria. Still this seems so very small for all she did for me. An angry silent sleigh where love had been, and in your eyes a look I'd never seen. If I had found
His
the words,
voice.
you might have stayed. But as I turned to speak, the music played as lovers danced their way around the floor. I sat and watched you walk towards the door. I heard a friend of yours suggest you stayed, and as you took his hand, the music played. Across the darkened room, the fatal signs I saw. You'd been something more than friends before. While I was hurting you by clinging to my pride, he had been waiting, and I drove him to your side. I couldn't say the things I should have said, refused to let my heart control my head. But I was made to see the price I paid, and as I lost your love, the music played.
He has such an amazing voice. And that performance was full of emotions, you know, like it just felt like he was singing to his mom. Such gift from God. That was just so beautiful. I mean, just watching it, it just felt natural, like Matt himself. I loved it. Did you enjoy that performance? I actually enjoyed it. I would love to know your thoughts in the comment section. I would love to read from you. Give this video a thumbs up, share it, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you on my next video. Have fun. Bye.